So, Jamie, the weather, it just is giving people a really good excuse to stay inside.
Absolutely. Absolutely. No excuse. If you don't have to be outside tomorrow, just enjoy being inside. You can watch the snow fall from the warm side of the window. We do have a weather impact alert to speak of, and it does go into effect overnight. Now, for the Twin Cities area, really looking like between about 6 and 9 a.m. will be our time frame to see rain turning over to freezing rain. I think that freezing rain to snow is going to be maybe a little closer to 9 a.m. But it will take us through Monday morning. We'll still feel the effects Monday morning. Heavy snow, gusty winds will be the two biggest culprits. That's going to lead to some poor visibility, blowing snow, and just heavy snow to take care of. So again, you need to plan for some difficult, and for some areas, it's going to be rather dangerous travel at times. We'll talk about the blizzard warning that we do have more or less right in the middle of the state. West central Minnesota all the way down to south central Minnesota, that area highlighted. There's a lot of colors on the map, I realize that, but I really want to highlight the blizzard warning where blizzard conditions, whiteout conditions are likely, strong winds, and some pretty significant snowfall rates at times. To the east, winter storm warning, blizzard conditions a possibility. This one's going to be more difficult travel, blowing snow and heavier snow. You're going to have higher snowfall totals as you move to the east. And for southwest Minnesota, winter storm watch, winter weather advisories. Not as much snow, but still you could have a chance at some whiteout or blizzard conditions from time to time, but you don't have as much snow to deal with. Same be said as you look to the northwest. So again, really want to highlight the blizzard warning and the winter storm warning. That is where the worst of it is going to be for tomorrow. Right now though, continue with the mild weather. We're going to tap into a little bit of that Pacific moisture continuing, as well as a little Gulf moisture trying to get pulled into this system. And the heart of the energy is back over here over the northern Rockies right now. All of this comes together, and as it merges, it is really going to produce a powerful winter storm. And that winter storm actually will strengthen as it moves to our east. It'll be over the Great Lakes region and continue to strengthen, which means it's still going to affect us even when we are to the west of it. Right now, we've had some light rain moving through parts of northern Wisconsin. As you go through the evening, overnight hours, again, not much happening around here, but as we take it out, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, we're going to be watching for maybe a few raindrops around the Twin Cities. Snowfall already coming down places like Marshall and Wilmer at that time. But as we get closer to that 9 o'clock hour, that's when we should start to see that freezing rain turn over to snow. And again, there will be some intensity to it, especially as we get into the afternoon hours. Still 8, 9, 10 o'clock, still some freezing rain potential in western Wisconsin. And you'll see how that snowfall intensifies through the afternoon hours. And now by 10 o'clock tomorrow night, that storm is going to be over the Great Lakes, but still strong enough to keep the snow falling around much of the central part of our region. By 5 a.m. Monday morning, things winding down. The winds are still going to be howling, but the snowfall is going to be winding down at that time. So like I said, less snowfall to the west, higher snowfall to the east. In fact, as you move from eastern Minnesota into western Wisconsin, 6 to 10 inches becomes a possibility. Around the Twin Cities, 4 to 8 pockets going a little bit higher. That's a possibility. From Brainerd, St. Cloud, Hutchinson, Mankato, 4 to 6. And again, whiteout conditions a possibility here, and then lower snowfall totals as you move to the west. All in all, it's going to be a lot of snow to deal with, a lot of wind. Those wind gusts pick up throughout the day, so yes, some nasty winds. And watch those wind chills drop throughout the day on Sunday, right into Monday morning. Double digits below zero is how it's going to feel around here for Monday morning. You check out that 7-day forecast. A little warm up there on Tuesday with some flurries, some snow showers possible on Wednesday. And let's ring in the new year with some bitterly cold temperatures.